Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Drew, and I will be the host for this Kubernetes 131 release team meeting. Today is June the 5th, and we are in week 4 of the release cycle. Please be aware this is a Kubernetes community meeting, which falls under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which could be summarized to be excellent to one another. So thank you all. This meeting is recorded. It will be publicly posted to YouTube, so please be mindful what you say is being recorded. So let me go ahead. I'm going to share. Yes, Priyanka?
Yeah, I think you got it. Just was going to ask to share the screen.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, thanks for bearing with me. This is my first time trying this, so we're doing this. All right, let's so here's let me go ahead and share my screen here. Here's the agenda notes. Okay. Wait, am I sharing the right screen? Sorry.
No screen share yet.
Oh, here we go. Can you see now?
No, not yet.
Here we
Okay,
go.
something came and it's the correct screen.
You can see it now?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and check out the discussion items. So that's okay. So let's see. It doesn't look like there's anything over under open discussion. So let's go ahead. Is there anything we want to discuss before we get into the team updates? All right, let's move on. Let's start with the team updates. Starting with enhancements.
Yeah, hey everyone. Before I go,
Oh.
Brianna, would you like to? Yeah, wait,
Sure. Hi, I'm Priyana. I'm in Enhancement Shadow. We are tracking green. All of our enhancements have been contacted. Everything has been tracked or marked appropriately. Yeah, and so these are the metrics. We have 62 total enhancements right now. 28 are targeting alpha, 25 are targeting beta, and then 8 are targeting the stable stage. And if you click on the tracking link, you should be able to see them. Yeah, in that tracking sheet. If you click on it, it'll take you to the page, and you can take a look at them.
All right.
Yeah, if you go to the insights view, it's a little bit nicer. There's like a little graph there.
The insights.
Oh, you don't see it on yours. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Well, there is a cool graph. You can take my word for it.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions for the enhancements team? All right.
Maybe Shriram, you want to come online and give the shout out.
Yeah, I was about to do that. Like, I want to appreciate all the shadows for the awesome work that they've done in the past 2 days. Like, all the keps were contacted within the span of like 2 days. We had like 62 keps in total. Yeah. Great
That's
work,
awesome.
everyone.
Congrats, that's awesome. Great job, enhancements team. Any further comments or questions for the enhancements team? All right, let's move on. Release signal.
Hey everyone. So our current status is red. There are three alpha to blocking issues that are still under investigation. We have reached out the necessary folks for this, but we haven't actually received any clear go or no go signals from them. So we're awaiting that. And as per discussions in a Slack thread, a release cut might be delayed because of this. We are actively tracking them, and all of the issues those are delayed are listed under the fourth point. That's the update.
All right, any questions, comments, concerns for the release signal team? All right, thank you, release signal team. Let's move on to the docs team.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you.
Awesome. Okay, hi, my name is Shadrach. I am a dog shadow. Currently our status is green. Princess, the dogs lead, has issued signees to each of the KEPs on the tracking board. And the enhancement freeze has actually not happened yet. So the assignments will keep going on until we can get to the enhancements freeze time. Also, the branch sync for this week has been merged. And lastly, our team is preparing to start sending out like reminders for the docs placeholder PRs. The deadline is actually Thursday, June 27th. That's pretty much most of our updates for now. Thank you.
All right, yeah, thank you. Does anybody have any questions or comments for the docs team? All right, thank you, docs team. Release notes.
Hey everyone, Ryan this side from Release Notes. So we are yellow right now. Currently, we are awaiting on Alpha 1 to be cut for the draft PR creation, but we'll be unblocked as soon as it's cut, and looks like it's due early next week. So yeah, that's all from Release Notes. Thanks everyone. If you have something, you can ask.
All right, any questions, comments, concerns for the release notes team? All right, let's move on to the comms team.
Hi everyone, I'm Rashan and I'm a shadow on the comms team. So for this week, our current status is green. So we were able to complete our orientation for the entire team. And then we're currently still working on finalizing our schedule in terms of when we can take turns providing meeting updates. So that's all for us this week. Thank you.
All right, any comments or questions for the the comms team? Okay, moving on to the release branch management.
Hello everyone. So yes, firstly, as Subhasmita shared that Alpha 1 is delayed due to some blockers of failing or flaky tests. So yes, if you want to see the discussion about Go non-Go signal, I have linked the Slack thread. And secondly, like as Go versions are released, we need some time to bump the Go version, latest Go version. So the tracking issue for pumping Go version is opened up by Carlos, and so the work it's still in progress. So in this case, like we can probably delay the Alpha 1 to next week, maybe Monday or Tuesday, as everybody suggests, and we can use this time to address the dependency update also, while also aiming to get a clear signal for open flakes. I'm open for anybody's suggestions also. So yes, that's it for me. Thank you.
Right. Any questions or comments for the release branch management team? All right, moving on to Emeritus Advisor Priyanka.
Hey everyone. The only update I have is I have set up invites for the shadow orientation for coming week Monday. There are 2 invites, one for APAC time zone, which is 6:30 a.m. UTC, and there is a link for converting that time to your time zone. And then there is one at this time, the time to this regular meeting, releasing meeting for EMEA and US folks. If anyone has not received an invite already, please reach out to me in DMs in SIG Release or channel or anywhere. Like if you can tag me, I'll add you. And if none of these times work out for you, even in that case also let me know. I can maybe have another third call after that, or maybe we can record the session. So just please let me know by end of this week, so I can make some arrangements accordingly. And one thing I did not write down, but we are already 3 weeks into the release now, and we have a retrospective doc linked at the top of this agenda. If you think there are some good milestones we have already, or something that need improvement, or anything that you want to talk about with the wider release team or a SIG release community, please start documenting all of those items there, and we'll discuss them during our mid-cycle and end of the cycle retro meetings. That's all from me. Open to questions.
All right, thank you. Release lead, Angelist. You have any updates for us?
Angelus is having network issues, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that someone else can do the status. Let me check my messages.
Okay. I could go ahead and give the update.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect. I think that actually Angelo just said that you could provide it. Yes. Obviously you didn't solve it because you're hosting. So yeah, that's
yeah. No worries. So the APAC meetings will start next week. This will be on Wednesdays at 6:30 UTC. So make sure that you have an invite on your calendar for that. Let us know if you don't. Sub-teams, please make sure the agenda is up to date before the APAC meeting. At least one team member, a leader, a shadow should be on the call. And APAC and EMEA meetings for the day will share the same agenda. So yeah, thank you for all the great work so far. All right, did we? Go ahead.
Sorry, I can add something on Angela's behalf.
Yeah.
So we kind of have taken a decision to move the Alpha 1 cut to next week, Monday or Tuesday, depending on when we have the security releases. 122.4 and 21.11 are already included in the release branches, especially master 1KK. So release notes team and release signal team, and just a FYI for you both. Release signal team, if you are not, I mean, I know that I've not looped you in that ongoing go no go signal thread, so I'll do that. I'll take a note for that.
All right, yeah, thanks for adding that note. Any questions or comments for the release lead? All right, did we have somebody from SIG Scalability on the call? Looks like our current status is green for that. Okay, do we usually walk the project board on the call?
We do sometimes, but not most times. I think there is not much on the board right now. We can quickly do it.
Okay. So that concludes the team updates. Is there anything else that we wanted to discuss while we're on recording? Right, I am going to go ahead and conclude the recording here.